Hey friends, if you encounter the issue can't set process priority in Task Manager or Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to lower the user account control settings, okay? So search for UAC in the Windows search bar and then click on change user account control settings. Lower it by 1 bit, click on OK, give permissions and see if it helps. Now, except for this, there is no other solution that can work, and I have checked it across different forums. There is no specific working solution to this problem. But here's what we can try after that. We can try an SFC scan to fix missing and corrupt files on the system. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is system restore. So you will have to restore the system to a previous restore point. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and click on recovery. Select open system restore. Click on next. Choose a good restore point. Click on next and finally click on finish. And the last solution is a cloud reset. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down, select recovery, click on reset PC, select remove everything, wait for it to load, select cloud download, and once you select cloud download, you will be able to fix the problem for sure. I'll tell you why. Because what could happen to the maximum, the local the local image file on your system could have gone corrupt and an SFC scan would not have fixed it. So when you use cloud reset, it downloads the image of the system from the cloud itself and then it will fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.